Hi there, this is Dr. Trehan from the Study Boards and CAAPIDup team. First of all, I would like to congratulate you that you have taken the first bold step towards your journey to a successful CAAPID application, and we are here to guide you through every step of the way. Now at CAAPIDup, we help you craft a compelling personal statement, refine your letters of recommendation, and not just that, we also help you polish your CV to perfection. And you will also receive personalized interview preparation from the mentors with over 15 years of experience in this field, ensuring that you really stand out from the competition. But that's not all. We are aware that while you're applying for your CAAPID application, your TOEFL scores matter a lot. And cracking the TOEFL examination can be a daunting task. And here on the CAAPIDup, you will find those targeted tips and tailored techniques to help you succeed in this examination. And this ensures that your test preparation really boosts your scores, helping you break those barriers and bring your best performance forward. And if research is what you seek, you can sharpen your skills and build your research aptitude in ResearchGate. And here you will have the opportunity to collaborate with me, Dr. Kaur, and other seasoned mentors at the study boards on real-time research projects. And these experiences don't just enrich your profile, but they elevate your entire application, positioning you as an exceptional candidate for dental schools. So welcome to the CAAPIDup family, where we are committed to helping you conquer every challenge from your research readiness to TOEFL test triumphs. And that's pretty much it from our side. We wish you good luck in your CAAPID applications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Remember to keep working hard and keep rocking. I'll see you in the next one.